few moments later.
Good afternoon, Miss Nabila. Can you hear my voice?
Hello, Desri.
Hello? Can you hear my
Sorry,
voice?
I can hear you.
Wait,
Check.
wait. I'll fix my connection. Can you hear me?
Check.
Can you hear me?
Okay, good. I can hear you. Okay, I can hear you right now.
Okay. I will share my screen. Wait.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Okay, I can see
Okay, let's start. So where's the problem, Miss Nabila?
clear. Okay, the mistake is in the continuous section. It's in line 3.
Line 3? Where?
And can you
This?
Okay, can you change yes, can you change
Oh,
it?
sorry. Wait. So I change this to Port
You can
Singapore. Oh,
change to Singapore Port Authority.
okay.
And then also please
Where?
change the vessel name. It
Oh,
should be MV Ocean Star, not MV Ocean Star.
oh, you're right. That's another typo. I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay,
And
done.
then,
Okay. It's great. After this, please save the reference document as version 2 and resend it to the client.
sure. I'm sending the updated file to their email right after this meeting.
Okay, Desiree, thanks. So glad we could solve this quickly, even though I'm traveling right now.
No problem, Miss Nabila. You're always quick to respond. Have a nice holiday, Miss Nabila.
Okay, thank you. You too, Desiree. So see you
Bye
again.
bye, Miss Nabila.
Bonus, come now give it to us all that money. Super bonuses, we work so hard, it's not funny. It's time to celebrate.
A few moments later.
Good afternoon, Miss Desri. So, do you hear me?
Good afternoon, Nabila. I can hear you.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay, wait. I will setting this video again. Okay, can you hear me right now?
Yeah, I can hear you right now.
Okay, good. So I will share our document. Wait. Can you see the document?
Yes, I can see it clearly. So the mistake is in the consign section, line 3, right?
Okay, so I will changing the Singapore
The
Maritime Logistics.
Singapore Maritime Logistic to Singapore Port Authority.
Okay, wait. Singapore Port
Okay.
Authority.
Please caps lock.
Wait. Okay, and then what's wrong?
Perfect. Also, please double check the vessel name. It should be MV Ocean Star, not MV Ocean Star. You got your typo.
Oh,
I think your typo at this
sorry.
part.
Okay, you're right. There is another typo. I'm fixing it now. Okay, done.
Great. After this, you can please save the revised document as version 2 and resend it to the client for confirmation.
Okay, Desri, sure. I'm sending the update
Thank you.
file to their email right after this meeting ends.
Okay, thanks, Nabila. Glad we could solve this quickly, even though I'm traveling.
Okay, thank you, Miss Desri. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy your holiday. And see you again. See you.
Thank you. I'm leaving
Goodbye.
right now.
Okay.